will you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Couplets by Alexander Pope. Now read these couplets by Alexander Pope. "'Tis with our judgments as our watches none go just alike, yet each believes his own. He knows to live, who keeps the middle state, and neither leans on this side nor on that. For forms of government let fools contest, whatever is best administered is best. For modes of faith let graceless zealots fight, his can't be wrong whose life is in the right. In faith and hope the world will disagree, but all mankind's concern is charity."
Good. Who will read next?
Kritik. Ma'am, can I read Kritik?
Yes, start, Kritik.
Ma'am Shiva.
After that,
Tis without judgment.
okay.
Tis without judgment. As our watches, none go just like, yet each believes his own. He knows to life, who keeps the middle state, and neither leans on this side nor on that. Third, for form of government, let fools contest. Whatever is best administered is best. For modes of faith, let graceless zealots fight. His can't be wrong, whose life is in the right. Fifth, in faith and hope, the world will disagree, but all mankind's concern is charity.
Good. Thanks.
Ma'am Pushkar.
Ma'am Shivangi.
Shivangi first.
"'Tis with our judgments as our watches none go just alike, yet each believes his own. Second, he knows to live, who keeps the middle state, and neither leans on this side nor on that. Third, for forms of government let fools contest, whatever is best administered is best. Fourth, for modes of faith let graceless zealots fight, his can't be wrong, whose life is in the right.
Very
Fifth,
good.
in faith and hope, the world will disagree, but all mankind's concern is charity."
मैम अब आप इन कपलेट्स का मतलब बता दीजिए.
Will anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Who
A
will?
pair of rhyming words, ma'am Kritir, a pair of rhyming words which is of same length is called couplets.
Couplets. It is couplet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So it is two-line stanza. You might have heard dohe in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Kabir
ma'am.
and Rahim.
Yeah, Rahim. So it is same. Understood? They are Kabir and Rahim. They are famous for their couplets in Hindi and Pope is in English. Will anyone read or should I explain?
I'm explain.
Ma'am, please explain.
Ma'am, explain.
Okay. So it is clear that a couplet is a two lines stanza. It is a stanza of two lines, having two lines. And last two words, both of the line rhyme together. And what another thing is about couplet? That they have, couplets have message, universal message of ideas of life, or we can say that some philosophical concept also. So what is couplet? It is clear. It is written also, rhyming with each other. It is written.
I'm waiting.
That I am doing. I found a few students were waiting, so they are joining now. So, what is the first stanza? First stanza is here. I is not clear, means written. Are you finding I? I is not written. It is. Contraction mark is there. It is with our judgment, as our watches. None go just alike, yet each believes his own. Means it is with our judgment, as our watches. Do you people think that all watches give same time?
No मैम
No,
हम
ma'am.
सेकंड से
No, ma'am.
डिफरेंस
It
रहता
depends.
है
It depends how you have set. Some may be fast by 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 second, 2 second, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so on. And some may be slow. Isn't it? But what we do, we believe in our own watches. Do we work according to our watch?
Yes,
Everyone might have joined
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class. Everyone might have joined the class by using their own watch. घड़ी से ही तो पता चली ना वो घड़ी
यस मैम
वो घड़ी या तो मोबाइल की होगी या घर में जो क्लॉक वॉल क्लॉक लगे होंगे या एनीथिंग बट यू मस्ट बिलीव योर वॉच सो यू ज्वाइन द क्लास नो वन आस्क्ड मी मेरे से तो नहीं पूछे ना मैम आपकी घड़ी में 10 बज गए क्या अपनी ही घड़ी अपनी ही वॉच पे विश्वास किए वैसे ही in the same way we believe our judgment. I think everyone I think why my voice is going. Everyone mute yourself. Otherwise I will and if I see the participant I can make
मैम आप जब बोल रही हैं उस वक्त आदित्य देव का भी माइक एक्टिव है
आदित्य देव का either you एक मिनट आदित्य देव को मैं रिमूव ही कर देती हूँ क्लास से आदित्य आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव
मैम आदित्य देव
हाँ आदित्य देव 8G रोल नंबर 4 पुट इन वेटिंग रूम चलो अब तुम्हारे आई हैव पुट यू इन वेटिंग रूम नाउ वेट हाँ so is it clear as we believe,
Yes, ma'am.
as we will believe our watches we believe our judgment and we act according to our own judgment own belief we don't want to listen to others as we believe our watches we believe our judgment too understood is it clear
यस मैम
मैम तो इस कपलेट से लेसन क्या मिला
इस कपलेट से will anyone try
यस मैम
Ma'am, we should believe our own judgments.
will anyone
मैम इसमें मैम ये मैसेज है कि मैम इंसान की जैसे इंसान की घड़ी का टाइम एक दूसरे से कभी नहीं मिलता उसी तरह हमारे जजमेंट एक दूसरे से कभी नहीं मिलती और हमें खुद की जजमेंट सबसे अच्छी दूसरों की जजमेंट से अच्छी लगती है।
हाँ, yes. As we believe our watches, we believe our judgment also. Understood?
Yes.
मैम आप फिर से एक बार समझा सकती हैं, मेरा थोड़ा नेट का प्रॉब्लम था।
अच्छा, तुम्हारे नेट का प्रॉब्लम था।
यस मैम।
As we believe our as we believe our watch, we believe our judgment also.
Ma'am, just as no two watches show the same time, the thinking of different people vary and each person believes in their own judgment.
Yes. Understood? Just a simple meaning is there. As we believe our watch, we believe in our judgment. We don't want to believe in others. Did you get? Should I switch over to next stanza?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, he knows to leave, who keeps the middle state. Neither leans on and neither leans on this side nor on that. Will anyone try?
यस मैम।
Yes, okay.
मतलब कि मैम वो आदमी जिंदगी को जीना जानता है जो अपने आप को मिडिल स्टेट में रह के जीता है, अपने आप को दोनों तरफ बैलेंस करके जीता है। अब वो आदमी जीवन में कभी भी ना तो एक्सट्रीम्स के तरफ झुकता है ना मैम, ना तो इस तरफ झुकता है ना उस तरफ झुकता है। वो अपने लाइफ को बैलेंस करके अच्छे से जीता जाता है।
Very good.
मैम
Amit?
जिस प्रकार एक टीचर को बच्चों से सिर्फ नमी से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, सख्ती से भी बात मैम करनी चाहिए। अगर वो नमी से बात करेंगे तो बच्चे उनकी बात अच्छे से सुनेंगे नहीं। मैम इसका एग्जांपल हो सकता है।
It can be said as you have started, as you told about that our teacher should be polite, not only polite but sometimes strict also. But what
Yes.
if a teacher is very strict? Would you like?
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So and what if the teacher is very means you can say that very polite? What will happen?
Yes. Ma'am, the students will
Mysterious student will disturb.
क्लास में कोई बच्चा कुछ भी कर लेगा तो डांटेंगे नहीं उसे।
So means mischievous student will disturb the teacher. In the same way, suppose that you are means everyone we have our own belief and faith, isn't it? But if we we are in middle state, मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है. Suppose that I am giving you one example. Suppose that you are a strict vegetarian, okay, and you go to a place, go to a country where you will not be getting anything vegetarian to eat. Suppose that this is just I am giving an example. Suppose that you don't have anything vegetarian to eat. What would you do? Would you die? Or would you accept the thing that is available over there?
मैम एग्जांपल के लिए चाइना हो सकता है, वहाँ के होटल्स में ज्यादा सी फूड ही मिलता है.
If you don't have, once again my voice started echoing.
नो मैम अब ठीक है.
हाँ अब ठीक है. So what will happen? What will you do? What should the suppose that you are a strict vegetarian and your doctor suggests you to eat something, some medicine that had red level. What will you do?
We have to adopt it because it is important for our
Yeah.
health.
So this is mute yourself if background noise is there. So what is the correct way? It is means you are adopting the adopting the middle way. यहाँ पे middle way adopt कर रहे हैं ना. अगर एक साइड झुके रहे, नहीं, doesn't matter, I will die but I will not take the pills.
Then we will die, ma'am.
So this is that neither leans on this side nor on that middle way means what is good for me I will do. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I switch over to
उस
the
वक्त
next?
जिस चीज की जरूरत हो सबसे पहले वही करें.
वही करना चाहिए. Should I switch over to stanza 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For forms of government,
Yes, ma'am.
let fools contest. Whatever is best administered is best. For forms of government, let fools contest. How many types of government is there?
Ma'am, democratic, secular, ma'am, democratic government, republic government, or
Monarchy.
Yes. So many types are there. But what is the basic aim of government?
ma'am बता सकते हैं इसका मतलब?
हाँ,
कंट्री को
To administer
कंट्री को
in the
बेस्ट
best way.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देना.
मैम
yes.
मैम इसका मैम मतलब है मैम कि हमें कौन सा प्रकार की सरकार हो उसके लिए हमें नहीं लड़ना चाहिए. जैसे कि डेमोक्रेटिक हो गया, रिपब्लिक हो गया, सरकार के लिए नहीं लड़ना चाहिए.
Yes.
वो सरकार और वो सरकार सबसे अच्छी है जिसका राजा अपने लोगों के प्रति फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देता है. जिसका राजा अच्छा है वो सरकार अच्छी है.
हाँ, very good. जिसका राजा अच्छा है means what is the basic need of government to fulfill the requirements of their citizen?
To understand citizen.
Yeah.
Understand the requirement of citizen.
So to understand and to fill. So who will for forms of government? Who will fight? Foolish people? जो मूर्ख
Yes, ma'am.
जो मूर्ख होगा वही तो फॉर्म्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पे फाइट करेगा. If one is not foolish, what will he or she do? They will watch whether the basic purpose of this administration is being fulfilled or not. Means administration is good or not. People are being benefited or not. Isn't it? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should we switch over to the next?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, next. For modes of faith,
Yes, ma'am.
let graceless zealots fight. His can't be wrong, whose life is in the right. For modes of
Ma'am.
faith, what is the meaning of modes of faith?
मैम धर्म
Religions.
कितने प्रकार के धर्म हो?
Ma'am, religions.
Who fights for religion?
मैम
Foolish.
कट्टर लोग जियोलॉजिस्ट.
Foolish people.
We can say
Ma'am, foolish people.
fanatic people, foolish people, they fight for such type of means for such type of religion. So what is the best? His can't be wrong. Whose life is in the right? What does the religion teach? Every
To
religion,
follow the path of truth.
every religion
And to
has
live in the
one.
right way of the life.
Every religion has one teaching, and the teaching is to serve the humanity. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So if someone is leading a right path, how can he be wrong? Doesn't matter which religion he follows. Understood? Should I switch over to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. In
Yes, ma'am.
faith and hope, the world will
Yes, ma'am.
disagree. But all mankind's concern is charity. Will anyone try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम धर्म और विश्वास पे दुनिया अलग अलग है, लेकिन मैम पूरा मानव जाति जब
एक कॉमन
मैम जब
कंसर्न है. चलो हाँ.
यस एक कॉमन कंसर्न चैरिटी मतलब मैम एकता एक दूसरे के प्रति.
हाँ. So what is the basic purpose?
Ma'am, I also want to.
Okay. हाँ, explain.
People might have different hope, religion. People might have different hope, religions, aims, or ambitions, but mankind is the common concern of the whole world.
हाँ, very good. Man, helping others, helping the needy is the main concern. Only this is the purpose of this. We may disagree in hope and faith. If we follow Hinduism, we have other religion. Means our faith in some other god. If we follow Christianity, our faith in some other god. Is it there? Hope. According to our hope, means suppose that I am telling your hope. Your hope is to become. Your hope is to crack IIT. Okay. What will your choice? If someone's hope is to crack NEET, will you disagree in your platforms?
No, ma'am.
है ना? Suppose that कोई किसी को मैथ्स लेना है, किसी को बायो लेना है, तो mute yourself. Who is there? So you may disagree. तुम्हारे सब्जेक्ट्स अलग हैं, तुम्हारे थिंकिंग अलग है, but if you want to become an engineer to help humanity, अगर तुमको इंजीनियर बनना है, इसलिए इंजीनियर बनना है क्योंकि आप जहाँ पे रोड नहीं है, जहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का
दोनों का बेसिक पर्पस एक ही होगा, अपनी फैमिली, अपने लिए कुछ करना और अपनी फैमिली के लिए.
हाँ, और सोसाइटी के लिए. ठीक है, तो अगर सबका पर्पस एक ही है कि दूसरे को हार्म नहीं करना है, मुझे अपने लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना है. एक मिनट, फिर से आवाज आ रही है. आई थिंक अब स्क्रीन शेयर हम लोग बंद कर दें.
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, chalo. Next, should we switch over to question answer? First, some difficult words are there. What are the difficult words? First one is leaves.
Bends.
Leans.
After that,
Contest.
what is the meaning
Quarrel.
of quarrel? Next,
Modes of
Modes of faith.
Modes of faith.
Religious.
Religions.
very good. After that, this is the last.
Zealots.
Zealots. Fanatic people.
Fanatic people.
Very good. This is the last, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, should we switch over to question answer? Things are okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One student is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. How many participants are there? Okay, I'll leave it. What is the first question? Understanding the couplet. On the basis of your understanding of the couplets, complete the following statement by filling in the blanks. Just as no two watches show the same time, the dash of different people vary.
Judgment.
the judgment of different people vary.
The
And
judgment of different people.
vary. And each person.
Judgment कैसे होगा?
Just wait. Let me read the line. Believes in their own.
Judgment.
Just as
Judgment.
no two watches show the same time, the opinion, or you can say judgment, of different people vary, and each person believes in their own belief or judgment, you can say.
Decision पहले वाले में
Ma'am, thinking of different people vary and each person believes in their own judgment.
ma'am, the decision of different people.
You can say opinion, decision.
मैम इसमें ओपिनियन जजमेंट थिंकिंग बिलीव्स कुछ भी लिख सकते
So
हैं
many words can come.
Ma'am, all are same.
Yeah. Next, the best way to live is to treat the
Middle path. Middle part.
and avoid
Leaning.
Both.
leaning on the.
Leaning on the extremes.
Yes. Next. Question number 3. Only fools.
Quarrel.
Contest.
Quarrel.
Quarrel, contest, they are the same over the forms of government. The most success government is one with the best
Administration.
Best administrator. Best administrator.
Best administration. People who work in administration will be known as administrator. Okay. Next. Let fanatic people
Fight.
Fight for religions.
yeah,
Fight
fight for religion. One who follows the path of truth can never be
Wrong.
Wrong or aimless.
Wrong.
good. People might have different
Faith.
Hopes.
hopes,
Homes.
aims,
Hopes,
ambitions,
religions,
but
Charity.
mankind is the most
Mankind.
but mankind is the common concern of whole charity.
no,
Charity.
is the common
Charity is the
concern
common
of
concern
Ma'am,
of the whole
whole world.
mankind.
mankind. Charity is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
common concern of all mankind.
Whole mankind.
Whole mankind.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we
Yes, ma'am.
should we switch over?
मैम मैनकाइंड का एग्जैक्ट हिंदी क्या होता है?
Human being.
मानव जाति.
Manav jati.
मानव.
Now next question. Answer the following questions in about 30 words in the couplets. What is the key to a successful life?
The key to a successful life
The key to successful life is to tread the middle path and avoid leaning on the extremes.
learning on the streams.
Apurva and Sivangi both started reading together. So nothing was clear. So I am giving Sahil Raja. Sahil Raja, will you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
To successful life is to live is to treat the middle path and avoid leaning on the extremes.
Yeah. The key to a successful life is to follow the middle path. We should avoid leaning on the extremes. Pushkar
मैम इसमें ये
also.
भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, the key to a successful life is to believe on one own judgment.
To successful life is to balance yourself in every work. A person should avoid extreme of anything and to maintain self-discipline.
Yeah.
Everyone should make interest in whatever they do.
Yes, someone told that judgment. No, this line is not. Here we are. It is referring with stanza number 2, couplet number 2. He knows to live who keeps the middle state, and neither leans on this side nor on that. This is a key to successful life. If you follow the middle path. Next question. What are the various forms of government? Mention 2 or 3. Which one
Ma'am,
is the
Democracy
best and why?
Ma'am, democratic government.
Democracy and monarchy.
Okay.
Democracy.
Dictatorship.
So many federal forms of government is there. Is it there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hereditary, democracy, and monarchy.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are so many types of government.
Dictatorship.
And if we talk according to SST, we can say that according.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
My voice is not clear.
I'm clear.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, then he might be having some connectivity problem. So, if means what I was telling, according to SST, we can say that democracy is supposed to be the best government because democracy is the government of the people, for the people, by the people. Isn't it? By the people, for
Yes, ma'am.
of the people, and for the people. But
Yes, ma'am.
according to Alexander Pope, a government with best administration is the best government. Understood? You will have to write in this way. Suppose
Yes,
that
ma'am.
suppose that you write democracy is the best government. Okay, we can say it. But what does Alexander Pope say? What does the couplet say? Couplet is saying
मैम
that.
इसका एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है पाकिस्तान भी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है, लेकिन वहाँ के पीपल का भी हाल तो इंडिया से बहुत खराब है.
Yes. Suppose that जैसे president rule ही हो, we don't like president rule, या suppose that sometimes army कितनी बार होती है ना कि जहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आर्मी अटैक करके उस पे अपना रूल चलाती है. So many times it happened in some countries. But if the person who attacked is having a very nice motto of fulfilling all the requirements of the citizen of the nation. Will you call, and he is doing so. He is successful in doing so. Will you call the government a bad government?
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
कहेंगे ना.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So this is where we can say that according to SST, we can say that democratic form of government is supposed to be the best government. But according to Alexander Pope, a government with best administration is the best government. Understood? Just 1 minute is there, na? What should be the belief of chief concern? What should be the chief concern?